Hello, this is probably going to be the most meta video I ever make, because in theory, if what I'm about to do works, the thumbnail of this video will be produced by this video. Okay, so for context, I have a thumbnail template in Photoshop. It is a very, very jank thing that I use specifically for this YouTube channel. I just have a format that has worked for me. Now, in this template, if you check this out right here, it's basically a picture of my face and then this blob messy mess of text where I have hello world and I can change that, or I have rendezvous with Cassidy, which is my newsletter, and I reuse that text the most. I swap in the picture for something else, and that is the thumbnail for the video. Then I export it and put it on YouTube when I make a video. I don't like that I have to open up Photoshop every single time I make a video just to make this thumbnail. And there's gotta be some kind of thumbnail generator out there. I'm sure that people have like Canva accounts for this, but then I was thinking, wait, this is what AI is for, right? Like build something. And so I nerd sniped myself and figured I would open up the GitHub Copilot CLI and just try it. Now here's typically what I do when I open up the CLI. I make a new folder, I do a git init, and then I open up Copilot right here and I get started. And so what I would do here is then do Shift Tab into plan mode and start talking. I use a tool called Handy for transcription. It's handy.computer. And what I can also do is quite literally drag this Photoshop template into the plan and start talking. And so this is the prompt that I ended up putting in here, and I'm going to pause on the screen so you can see it. Right now for YouTube thumbnails, I have this Photoshop template, and then I just kind of explain that every time I have a video, I pull in a screen grab from the video and put it underneath the text. I explain the text, I talk about what my problem is, how it's a little bit slow to include everything. I say that the font that I use is Mona Lisa. I kind of have these font sizing things in here, and then I explain how I have shadow in there. I have all of that. So from there, I hit enter, and I'm going to now fast forward and see what it produced. Wow, we traveled through time, and now I had to do a little bit of poking around to make sure that I had an app icon, that I could double click it from my desktop, but I have an app. And so I have the default rendezvous with Cassidy because that's my newsletter name. That's probably the one that I'll be doing most often. I can upload an image. I can change this to say I vibed this thumbnail. Oh my gosh, spelling is hard. And voila, that's it. I have auto sizing, and then I can also change it and adjust things and also add this overlay if the image isn't contrasty enough. And then I'll save it. And this is exactly the thumbnail that I will be using on this video. It's not too bad, right? I'm not saying AI solves all your problems. I'm not saying that. But for this small little problem, I can now just click a button. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.